Hi everyone, let's solve this problem in insertion sort list. So the problem statement says we are given a linked list and we need to sort it using insertion sort. So what's the insertion sort algorithm? What it does is it says okay, we will have two lists. We'll separate the given list into two lists. One is sorted list, another one is unsorted list. So initially the sorted list has only the first element, and with the time we'll start popping the first element from the unsorted list, which starts from the second node of the input list, right? And I'll keep putting that element into the sorted list at the right place, and once my entire unsorted list is finished, every node from unsorted list comes in sorted list. So let's see what it means. Code will make more sense. I say okay, if there is, let's do this edge case first. If there is no head, I return none. Otherwise I will have my unsorted list which starts from second node, right? And I need to point this guy to none because I have to call head as my sorted list. So now I have pulled first node, right? I made its guys none, and this is my sorted list is only having single node, and unsorted list start from second node. So what I say is, while I have this unsorted list, right, all I need to do is I need to pull this guy. Okay, let's pull this guy. I will pull this guy, make it next to none, right? Let's make it. So I'll say okay, my pulled node is, just for like having the right name, will be unsorted list. And now I need to insert this. I say okay, self dot insert me into the sorted list pulled node. Once I have inserted this, I need to take this unsorted list to the next position. But how can I take it if I have already pointed it's next to none? So I need to have this cache, which is unsorted list dot next. I keep it so that after this node is inserted, my unsorted list will become the cache guy. Once I'm done, I just return the sorted list, right? So this is the pretty much pattern, like the setup. And now let's write this function. This is just a very easy function. What I need to do is I just need to insert the node in the right place. So I say okay, this is my sorted list, this is my pulled node. Let's first check if I need to insert this guy at the starting position. I say okay, if pulled node dot val is less than sorted list dot val, I need to add it at the start. So what I do is okay, this guy's next should point to sorted list, right? And I just return my pulled node. Otherwise all I do is I need to put this guy inside the sorted list, right? So let's find the place where can I insert this. So I will have my cur pointer, which will start at the sorted list position, and it will always stay at the place which has value less than, or let's say equals to also. For example, if I need to insert this guy at the end, if there are same values, so what I do is while cur dot next, like this guy's next is there, and cur dot next dot val is less than is equals to pulled node dot val, I keep moving it, right? So what happens is, the time this loops end, what will happen is the cur guy next will be none, which means cur is pointing at the last position of the sorted list, or cur's next value is greater than pulled node. So I have to insert at the cur. So I have to insert this guy at the cur, right? So I say okay, cur dot next should become pulled node, right? This has to be done. But now this pulled node's next should be cur's next, right? Because I have to have track of the next node after the cur. Whatever was that, it should come there. This is a pulled node dot next should be cur dot next, and cur dot next becomes my pulled node. So for example, this guy, let's say if okay, this guy has to be inserted at the first place, right? So this is fine. And when I have to insert this guy 8, right? So when I iterate the list, I say okay, this has to be inserted here only, right? Then 6 next was first pointed to 8's next, which was none. In this case, the 7's next was first pointed to 8, and then 6 next was pointed to 7. So that's all. So once I'm done, I just return the sorted list, right? So let's see guys if it works. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, let's submit it. Cool, it does. See you guys in next video.